CIO probes Presidium name dropping in Harare land grabs. The 23rd of August 2025, by a correspondent, the Central Intelligence Organization. CIO has launched investigations into senior ZANU-PF officials accused of fraudulently invoking the names of President Emerson Mnangagwa and his deputies, Constantino Chiwenga and Kembo Mohadi, to grab and sell land in Harare. The scandal centers around land earmarked for the expansion of Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport, which has been targeted by politically connected land barons. Presidential Affairs and Devolution Secretary Tafadzwa Mugyuti, speaking to journalists this week, said the perpetrators were deceiving unsuspecting buyers by dropping the names of the Presidium to legitimize their fraudulent activities. As government, we will not stand by while people enrich themselves by abusing the names of our principles, Mugyuti said. Some of these individuals have even invaded the yellow and red zones of the airport. We don't care what position you hold in the party or government. If you are committing crimes, abusing your office, and using the names of the president and vice presidents, vacate immediately. This is a criminal matter, and we will deal with it decisively. According to Mugyuti, more than 140 sites around Harare have been illegally occupied, including land reserved for the airport expansion. The revelations come after the Standard reported in July that Tourism and Hospitality Deputy Minister Tongai Mnangagwa, also MP for Haniani, tried to regularize illegal settlements on the airport's restricted land. In a July 2, 2025 letter to the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe, CAAZ, he requested that squatters be allowed to remain within the yellow zone. The controversy echoes a 2015 directive by the late former President Robert Mugabe, who ordered demolitions of illegal houses near the airport, calling them a security threat and an eyesore. Despite such orders, illegal settlements continue to mushroom along Airport Road, protected by politically powerful figures. Mugyuti further accused senior ZANU-PF officials of abusing the party's letterhead to facilitate land grabs and extort money from businesses and individuals. Some people are writing letters on behalf of government. I want to caution them that we are onto them, he warned. He also stressed that the Presidential Title Deeds program will not be used to legitimize such corrupt practices. Please stop the habit of selling land and then approaching government for regularization. It will not happen under the Second Republic, Mugyuti said firmly. For years, government has ordered audits into rampant land theft in urban areas, but findings have not been made public. Meanwhile, Harare continues to face widespread illegal settlements dominated by politically connected land barons, with demolitions failing to resolve the crisis.